These are three of Sikkim's most famous Yeti encounters.
1972, North Sikkim, Lachen. A group of villagers and yak herders saw an unusual creature moving along a distant ridge. It was about 8 feet tall, had thick dark hair, and it walked like a human. The people silently watched as the creature walked along the ridge of the mountain with ease and disappeared behind a cluster of rocks. When the herders later climbed to the spot, they discovered very large human like footprints stretched in a single straight line across the slope. The footprints had visible human toe like impressions. The people called it Sokpa, the wild man of the mountains. Late 1970s, Zongu, Sikkim. Several villagers reported hearing whistling sounds and loud cries coming from deep within the forest at night. Fearing for their lives, the villagers ran into their huts. The next morning, some hunters found large 16-inch footprints on the wet soil deep in the forest. Some villagers also noticed broken bamboos and crushed vegetation nearby, as if something very large and heavy had passed by. The lepchas believed it to be the Migoi, or the Yeti.
2004, Zuluk, East Sikkim. Several laborers working for the Indian Army were on their way to the work site when they noticed a strange figure in the near valley across the road. They saw a large dark figure, approximately 8 feet, with a cone-shaped head and a neck that was almost non-existent. The creature appeared to be walking very comfortably on two legs up a hill. The sight lasted for almost half an hour before the figure disappeared into the forest. Later, some villagers reported finding large footprints near a water source. According to the villagers, every step was unusually far apart from one another. Also, a large water pump was pulled out of place and thrown to the ground, totally damaged. According to the witnesses, it would require at least 30 people in order to pull off a stunt like this. Do you think these encounters were real? Or was it just a man in a big monkey suit? Anyway,